Hi, my name is Zach, and today I'm going to explain to you how to have your text fly in Final Cut Pro. First, you're going to start by creating your text, which I've already done. And I'll play my text here. It's moving kind of slow. I would rather for it to fly. So, in order to do that, I'm going to hit Command J, and I'm going to speed it up to about 300%. Now I will have to render. Now that my clip is rendered, I'm going to show you how my text is now flying. We're going to break some speed records with that one. My name's Zach, and I just taught you how to make text fly in Final Cut Pro.